Now you'll notice that when you first open the software here in the PAA extractor tool that Google is in the white theme. If you want to change it to the dark theme, right down the bottom here on their home page, if you're not on the home page, you click this Google button here to bring you to the home page. And then you want to click settings and you can select dark theme. So then you can have a dark theme here to sort of match the rest of the software. Now the same goes for the AI generator. If you prefer to have the built-in HTML editor in dark mode, you can press this down here and it will remember to stay in the dark mode if you like it that way. And then finally the PAA tree. If you create a tree here, you see there's another dark mode button down here as well. So you could go from white to dark. And you can also do it in this button here. So it depends what you want to do. That's how you can kind of change some of the themes inside the software.